Hey guys, this is Emmanuel and welcome to this series, the Data Science 101, the data preparation and cleansing. Okay, in this video we'll be looking at three functions: the lower, the upper, and the proper. These are actually text functions in word processing, that is Microsoft Word, that is word processing. These things you can find them easily in your home tab, but in Excel they are not in your home tab. So how can you go about it? You can't copy a data set with 30,000 lines, take them to Microsoft Word to change the formats, and then bring them back to Excel. You are punishing yourself. Formerly I do that, although I suffered, but now I'm teaching you the easiest way to make it work properly without stressing yourself. It's actually easy to do. Okay, now let me take you down to the video. Let's walk you through. I don't plan to make this video long. Okay, this is where we'll be working with. Okay, so the first one is how to convert this Abdul Fattah century to a lowercase, that is small letters all through. Very easy, just your lower brackets open, pick the text and cover it and see. Very easy. Small case. Small case. Normally you would have started copying and pasting in a photo Microsoft Word and then change to lowercase and then bring back, and then before you know you get frustrated. Now to do for the upper, same easy thing. Upper, pick the text, let's say this text, cover the bracket and see uppercase. Proper case, which is what I love using. This is proper case. But it is not proper case actually. Now let's convert this to proper case, which is proper case, proper, pick it, okay, and go. Okay, this is proper case. Okay, that is what I used here. Okay, what if we want to join two of these things together? Can we join two? Unfortunately we cannot join two. Okay, for example, we want to say join two text functions. Want to join two text functions together? Let me tell you the truth, we can't join them together except using the joiner tools. That was the basic reason I taught you how to use the joiner tools first. Okay, how do we join these text functions together? Okay, for example, let me try it with, okay, let's say upper, this one. Okay, let me go to century, the century, upper century, close it. But that is how the mine. Okay, then lower Evans. Let's see how it will go. That is what it will tell you. No, it can't go. That's it. But using any of the joiner tools, that is what I meant by joiner tools, are the concatenate and the and function. You can easily join two or more formulas together. It makes life very easy. Okay, for example, I will use the and. I just don't know why I love using the and. But you can still use the concatenate. But let me use the and function for this. Okay, using the and function for this, we can say, okay, let me put Evans should be upper Evans. Okay, let me do it anyhow you want it. Let's say upper, since we're only putting one thing, text, let's say just put only text. Note all these things should guide you. Upper, that is century, okay, cover, then and there will be need for space, yes, and what am I joining? This guy here. If okay, let me make it lower. Let me make this guy lower. Bracket open, Evans, close. Note when you are using the and, you are not putting any comma. You see, you are not putting any comma. It's just straightforward, and you see it goes capital and small. You see, very easy to use. Or should I use the concatenate? Okay, let me use the Concatenate also. Okay. The uh, sorry. Equals to concatenate. You are using concatenate. That is, it's telling you, okay, join. Okay, I want to join upper first. Upper of this. You see, I'm picking all these things. It's very easy to upper, then comma with which one? Lower of this, lower of Evans. You see, perfect. What is missing? Open parenthesis. Okay, upper. I've forgotten. The parenthesis should be to end in black. Then we are good to go. Perfect. You see. Okay, I forgot to put the spacing. So before the lower, I can put space like this. Space. Give me space. Okay, perfect. Excel is very simple, Joe. I don't know why you are scared of Excel. Okay, now let's do an abbreviation. Okay, we'll be using two functions, lower plus left. Lower plus left. Lower plus left. Okay, we'll start with the left function. Since the lower function ends, we're just picking only one thing. So we'll start with the left function, left. Okay, left. Pick text. We are picking this text. Okay, no, let me use lower first. Left, lower of that text instead. Lower of that text instead. This text, let's say Evans, which is this one. Lower of Evans, cover it. When you have covered it, now it has gone back to left. Left, I need the main characters of Evans 3. And let's say it goes. Very simple. Excel is not hard. Excel is very, very simple. You see, Excel is very simple. I don't know why you are scared of Excel. It's very, very simple. Now, let me change this to upper. Upper, let's see. You see. You see how I join formulas together. Joining two formulas together is very simple. You see. Okay, that's that for that. This is an abbreviation. It should be 918 capital letter instead. Okay. This is user code. Let me use upper plus concatenate. Concatenate is very, very. I just like concatenate. Okay, now let's use concatenate. You can still use the AND function still to achieve this. Okay, concatenate text. Okay, concatenate. I need upper. This A. Okay. This one now is plenty formulas. That is, I want to pick user code. So I'll be using left also. Concatenate left. Jesus Christ. Left. Why did I even pick this kind of left, upper? I don't even know why I would choose this kind of exam. Okay, that is left, which is left, right, left, upper name. Okay, the next one is comma. Let me say left again, upper, left, upper, century. That is, I want it to be ACE. Okay, comma, left, upper. This one. Okay, it's finished. It's not even difficult. 1, 2, 3, 4. Black. Show me black. Okay, black. Okay, complete. Here we go. What does that mean? You have entered so many arguments for this function. Concatenate left. Okay, I did not cover. Okay, sorry, I should have covered it from here. Okay, let me play these things. Left, upper, name, end left here, people. So that concatenate can start the next one. Okay, concatenate left. Okay, still looking at this thing. Cover. Okay, it's not concatenate. There is this whole things is one text. Okay, this concatenate to this. Okay, we are done with this thing. Yes, perfect. Wow, I did not even know that this thing would be like, I did not even think about. I just say okay, let me just okay, let's get user code. And wow, you see, with concatenate left upper, we got this particular step. The main thing Excel is not hard. Just know what each function does, and then look for means to make them collaborate together. Wow, thank you for joining me in this video. You can do well and do yours in this next sheet. Okay, you can do yours in this sheet. I'll make it available to you. Okay, thank you and have a very nice day ahead. This is still Emmanuel.